We will guide you through how to make WeChat backup. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, unlock your smartphone and connect it to a stable internet connection before starting the backup process. Open the WeChat app on your Android or iPhone, then sign into your WeChat account if you are not already logged in. Open the WeChat home screen and tap the Me option at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Settings to open your WeChat account and application settings. Look for the Manage Chat History option in the Settings menu. Tap Manage Chat History to access your conversation-related settings. Find the Backup and Restore option and tap it to view the available backup options. Choose the option to backup chat history to computer if you want to save your chats on a computer. After selecting this option, open the WeChat desktop app on your Windows PC or Mac and sign in to the same WeChat account. Follow the instructions displayed on your phone to connect WeChat with the computer. Make sure the computer is ready to receive the chat history before continuing. Review the conversations you want to include in the backup, then confirm your selected conversations and tap the button to start the backup. Keep your phone and computer connected to the same network while WeChat transfers the chat history. Avoid closing WeChat, turning off either device, or disconnecting the network during this process because doing so could interrupt the transfer. Wait for WeChat to finish backing up the selected conversations. The time required may depend on the number of conversations and the amount of chat data being transferred. Once the backup is complete, check the WeChat desktop app for any confirmation that the process finished successfully. Finally, keep the computer backup in a secure location so you can use it later if you need to restore your WeChat chat history. Store the backup somewhere protected from accidental deletion or unauthorized access.